35% gain this year. Mitesh Thakkar, quick word from your end on Reliance. If someone has missed the bus up until now, is there still more to go on the upside, and is the risk reward still favorable for a trader?
See, not in immediate short-term basis. I think the stock is extremely overbought and is liable for some kind of a pullback or a correction or a consolidation. So I think if somebody has been holding, it's okay. I think, but a fresh entry, the risk reward parameters won't match up immediately after such a rally. So the idea should be to see some kind of consolidation come into play before buying into this one. Anything close to 1940, which is the first support area, I think would be a buying opportunity.
All right, gentlemen, thanks for that. We've actually come to the end of trade. So what has happened today is all through the day we've been sort of flat. The market dipped to the low point, which was 11,069, and then recovered from there. So there was a massive intraday recovery that we saw. Now, if you look at, the stocks, it was the Bank Nifty that really led from the front today. So the Bank Nifty goes on with a 100-point gain. Axis Bank was your big gainer after a good set of numbers. Titan rallied about 5%. You had names like ITC,
All right, so those were all the large caps that were in focus in today's trading session. The mid caps actually did fairly better, a tad better than what we saw in terms of the frontline indices, which were a little choppy. And out there, the big gainer, of course, was M&M Financial, which went off its rights issue today. Apart from that, we saw Muthoot Finance do fairly well as well. Gold prices at a record high. So we have, the gold financiers doing well as well. Some short covering or uncharacteristic moves seen in something like a PVR. So up almost 6% in today's trading session. And a handful of other financial companies doing fairly well as well. Chola Investments, Federal Bank, as well as Manappuram Finance. Of course, Manappuram was a beneficiary of higher gold prices. In terms of mid caps that underperformed today, we had something like a Yes Bank, which continued its underperformance. In fact, the stock is now down 7% this week. Piramal Enterprises lower by 4% as well in today's trading session after a big bounce that we saw yesterday. So some gains being given up from yesterday's move. We had JSPL, which was lower in today's trading session as well post results. We had Bank of India and HPCL, all these stocks lower from the mid-cap end of things, Sonia.
Absolutely, Mangalam, thanks for that. So by the end of trade, you get a sense that this market is just sort of consolidating at these higher levels of 11,100. But Mitesh, what should the strategy be for tomorrow? Up until now, a long position has worked very favorably for trade.